Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is Anna Nettles, aka The Frugal Penny on Instagram. If you follow me there, thank you. And if you don't, my information will be down below. Today we're going to talk about my 2019 vision board, and we're going to go over my vision board and what everything means to me, of course, and what everything means to you. I mean, if it means something different, I will explain, that way you can see it. And the reason I'm going over this vision board is because I'm going to start my vision board for 2020, which I will show you once I have it ready. But this is going to be part one of a part two series. Part two will be how to create your own vision board from scratch. And we're going to start from start to finish. I'm going to show you, like I said. So for now, this video is only specifically of my 2019 vision board. So let's get right on. So hey guys, here's my vision board. And this is the one, like I said, that I created in 2019. And I wanted to create a vision board that I would really like and enjoy. And something that would, resonate with me and me trying to improve myself. I wanted to make sure I had everything that I needed and that I really wanted. So we're gonna start with the first one, and I have here YouTube. I wanted to start a YouTube channel a while back, but everything's so hard, and with work and me doing Mercari and Poshmark and OfferUp and everything else, it was just getting too much, and I stopped doing some of those things. So now I can focus on YouTube, and I added to the vision board. I also added it to some of the goals I had for, I don't remember which month, but I'll put it here. And I never actually did anything. So I'm glad I had it here, and I finally did YouTube. Yay. And then for this one right here, I want to learn how to read more stock charts. I did go to a trading school one weekend, and it was good and everything, but it wasn't what I was looking for. I was like, I don't know, so I'll come back. And I thought about it, but I was like, okay, no, maybe I can just study YouTube videos or some other people who are doing it now. I do know some things, but I don't know a lot, so I would like to learn that in the future. I also put books here because I want to start reading more, even though I like reading and I'm always reading. And for work, that's what I do, I read. But it's like, okay, after work is getting too much as well. So when you are at work all day reading and then you come home and read some more, it's like, okay, so when do I have some free time? And that's that. And I want to own a quadruplex. This one is more houses, but I really want to own a quadruplex just so, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. I've seen some people who own them, some of the people that I follow in the financial community. And I said, you know what, maybe I should own that too, but I don't know. And here I want to be on vacation, and I bought a property down in Mexico, which I will later talk about if you guys want to know more how that process worked. But yeah, I like the vacation type of, I also like the cold, but not really. I just stick to the beach and, calm and good vibes and everything else. And I added 2 pictures of couples because I want to find somebody who makes me laugh. I think that's very important if you have a good relationship with your partner and you guys are laughing all the time. I think that's very healthy. So that's why I have it here as, somebody who makes me laugh, but somebody who also loves me. I know, cheesy, right? But whatever, it's my vision board. And then here I have a quote: "The dream is free, but the hustle is sold separately," because I have several people that know me. They're like, oh, you're so lucky because you did this and you did that. It's like, but I don't sleep, I'm always working, I'm always hustling. Whatever you see, you only see the good things. You don't see all the bad things that I have to go through in order to get there. And so I have somebody here who is studying. I want to go back to school. I'm not sure when I will go back to school, but I really want to go and not get my master's degree because I have my bachelor's, but learn something new. It's always good to learn something new regardless of what it is, just to make sure, your brain is always functioning. And here I have an eye, not that I want green colored eyes, but I want my vision to improve. I got LASIK in my eyes a few years back, and it's kind of hard because you have to stare at a computer all day, so it kind of hurts all the time. So I'm trying to improve my vision. And I really want a pet peacock. If you know me, you know that I love peacocks. That's my favorite animal. But I would like to own one, a little one, and then it can grow. But they say they're furious little animals, but I'll take my chances. I really want one. And here, it's not that I want a castle, but I want a house that has some of this like circular thing looking here. This is what I like. And I like high ceilings. So I want to find a house that if I move, I'm not trying to move right now, but if I do, that has like this circular thing right here. This thing here. I don't know why. I just really like how it looks. And I have TED Talks here because I really want to go to more TED Talks. I've been watching them on YouTube and I'm subscribed to several channels. But I want to go to an actual TED Talk and see, how it goes and any TED Talk really that improves you, as a person. I would really like to go. And then I have here, we all smile in the same language because we do actually. This is a really quote. This is a quote that I really like because sometimes around the office you see people mad all the time or at work, and once you smile, they're like, oh, okay, like that kind of makes their day a little bit. And I like smiling, so that's me. And I have these two hands is because I want to start a foundation, like a nonprofit. I will tell you guys what it is later in another video, but just know that I want to start a nonprofit. And that's one of my goals for the next few years. I just have to, do all the research and everything else. I don't have all the money and the resources right now, but I do know a few people who would gladly collaborate with me. So that's great. And I have a Tesla right here. I always talk about the Tesla. I love the Tesla. I don't know why, I'm just in love with this car. And it's the Tesla S, I believe. And it's in white. I want a white Tesla, but not right now. It's just some of the goals that I really want. And this is for 2019. I don't know why the camera looks so weird, but this is for 2019. And like I said, this is a part one of the two series that I'm going to talk about. This is just me talking about my vision board, and so you can get some ideas on how to create your own vision board and what you want to add to the year 2020. A lot of this is going to change, but some of them are going to be pretty much the same, but different. So since I already have the YouTube up here and I already did that, so I'm just going to take it off. And I did go to school. I did study a little bit, but I'm still going to put something that sort of reflects that, but in a different way. So hopefully you like this video. Alrighty. Thank you for subscribing.